What's up, everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix any Firestick Wi-Fi issues using the new updated network tools built directly into the newer Fire TV devices. One of the biggest complaints we see from Firestick users is buffering, and this is usually brought on by poor download speeds. Many users also have issues connecting their Firestick to Wi-Fi. This new integrated set of tools is meant to help with that. Now, these updated network tools haven't rolled out to all models, so before doing this, I suggest checking for a system update on your Firestick or Fire TV device. This can be found inside the About setting within My Fire TV, then click Check for Updates. I suggest installing any updates that are available until you see your Fire TV is up to date. In this example, I'm using a Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and I have received the update that allows for this. As of now, it seems that this update is only available for those on Fire OS 7 and higher. My regular Fire TV Stick 4K doesn't have this update yet, and that is running Fire OS 6. Alright, let's get started. First, hover over the settings icon and click Network. Highlight the current wireless network you are connected to, then press the play-pause button on your remote. Now, the first thing we want to do is click Run Speed Test. When the test finishes, you will notice I have 354.08 Mbps. It's also important to point out that this is on the 5 GHz network of my Wi-Fi router. We then cross-referenced our speed test results with Analytics Speed Test and noticed a discrepancy in download speeds. The reason behind this discrepancy in download speeds is that all of these applications use different servers to measure that. While my download speeds work with 8K, keep in mind you only need 20 to 30 Mbps for streaming 4K content. Anything more is overkill. Now that we've tested our download speeds, return back to the home screen of your Firestick and click Network. Highlight your current wireless connection and click the play-pause button again on your remote. This time, click the Advanced option. You will notice the Network Quality header. We will explain what all of these terms mean to help you fix any Firestick Wi-Fi issue. Signal strength is measured in decibel milliwatts, dBm, and the higher the number, the better. So my number of -37 dBm is a good signal strength. In other words, this shows how strong the Wi-Fi signal is between your wireless router and your Firestick. You can try moving your router closer to your Firestick to improve this. As mentioned previously, we are connected to our 5 GHz band. Some routers will provide both a 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz band. While a 5 GHz band provides faster speeds, you won't be able to cover as much distance compared to a 2.4 GHz band. Let's see what happens when I change my connection. Return back to the home screen and click Network. While I'm connected to the Walnut Base 5 V2, the Walnut connection is my 2.4 GHz band. I'm going to click that. Once I am connected to my Walnut Base 2.4 GHz connection, I will press the play-pause button on my remote. Click Advanced. You will notice the signal strength has improved from -51 to -37 dBm. Moving on, noise is the amount of background noise on the same Wi-Fi radio frequency as your Firestick or Fire TV Cube. This is also measured in dBm, the lower the number being better. Channel utilization is based on how full your current Wi-Fi channel is you're connected to. This is measured in percentages, with the lower number being better. If your channel utilization is high, you can alter your channel control settings within your router dashboard. Signal-to-noise ratio is the difference between your signal strength and noise level. This is measured in simple numerical format, 0 to 100, with the higher number being better. Lastly, if you click Configure Data Monitoring, you will be directed to the following screen. I typically leave data monitoring off because I don't want Amazon seeing what types of data I'm using on my device. However, if your internet provider has a data cap, this might be a good option for you. You can change your video quality to Good if you want to help save on bandwidth. You can also set a data alert, which is a cool feature for those who have data caps on your internet plan. Within the monthly top data usage, this will provide you with information on the various applications that are pulling in the most data. Overall, we hope this guide helped you fix any Firestick Wi-Fi issues that you are experiencing. Let's hope Amazon rolls out this new update to older Fire TV devices in the near future. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.